Tan and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you this very traditional Rakhi makeup look. So I've already prepped and primed my face and now I'm applying the foundation, and the foundation I'm using is L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. And to blend this out, I'm using the YBP Beauty Blender. So the shade of this foundation is looking a little bit lighter, but this foundation oxidizes, so it will be perfectly fine by the end of the video. And you should never forget your neck and ears while applying the foundation. Now after the foundation, it's time for the concealer, and for the concealer I'm using this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I will link all the product details in the description box below, so please check that out. And I'm applying this concealer under my eyes just to brighten them up and to also give it more coverage, because this concealer gives beautiful coverage. And I'm also applying on some parts of my face like bridge of my nose, center of the forehead, cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, and as well as under my cheekbones. And I'm also blending this out with the same beauty blender. And now to set this concealer, I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm using this banana shade from this. And I'm only using this to set and to mattify my concealed areas. And now just to give some dimension to my face, I am using this contouring shade from the same Wet n Wild palette, and I'm slightly contouring my face. And after contouring my face, it's blush time, and for the blush, I'm using this Freedom Pro blush palette, and I'm using these two shades from this palette. And to bring it some brightness and an overall glow, I'm going to be using this rainbow highlighter from Makeup Revolution. So now let's move on to the eye makeup, and for that I'm firstly putting some loose powder from Color Bar under my eyes, and now using the Fashion Brow Cream Pencil from Maybelline, I'm shaping my brows. And now I'm using the same concealer as an eye primer. And now for the eye makeup, I'm using this NYX Perfect Filter Eye Palette. And firstly, I'm using this off-white shade to set my concealer. And now I'm using this burnt orange shade as my transition color. So today I'm creating the halo eyes. And for that, I'm firstly placing this color on my outer corner and gently blending it out. And now I'm going to place it in my inner corner and now joining both the ends in the crease. Now to deepen the corners and the crease, I'm using this reddish brown color and just repeating the steps. Put it in the outer corner as well as in the inner corner and joining them in the crease and also blending out really nicely. And now again using that orange color, I'm blending out the edges just to give it a smooth look. To fill in the gap that I left in the center of the lid, I'm using this golden color and I'm placing it right in the center using my finger. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using this color by eyeliner and I'm going for simple small winged eyeliner. Now for the kajal, I'm using this plum kajal and I'm tightlining my lower and upper waterline. And now I'm gently smudging my lower waterline with a black eyeshadow just to give it that smoke out look. Now I'm prepping my lashes for the falsies and for that I'm firstly curling them out. Now using this Color Bar mascara, I'm applying a nice coat of mascara onto my lashes. And now before applying the falsies, I'm firstly highlighting my inner corner as well as the brow bone using this very pretty highlighting shade. And now I'm carefully applying these pack falsies. And now using a large fluffy brush, I'm brushing out all the loose powder from my under eye. And for the lipstick, I'm using this Color Bar lipstick in the shade Hollywood. And now to complete and set this makeup look, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Fixing Spray. So yeah, that's it for this look. I've just added a small little bindi, tied my hair in low bun, added nice jewelry. And that's it, you're all set to go and rock this festive season with this amazing makeup look. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.